I'm here on the 6th floor of the Esplanade Theatres-on-the-Bay, and indeed you can see behind me a little bit of the bay with Marina Bay Sands, the 3 towers in the distance. And now you get to see what makes the Esplanade distinctive in its architecture with all these spines. So far out there you can see the spines, and of course we're right under the spines, you can see. Isn't that a gorgeous symmetry? I'm going to show you a little bit of the inside of the theater. Okay, so you can take a peek down there, and all the way down there you make your way towards the theater. Not much movement now because it's still daytime and there aren't any concerts at this moment. But yeah, this is really magnificent from within. This is the Esplanade rehearsal studio. It's really a beautiful one. Very spacious. And it's the size of the theater stage. And so that means you can rehearse here with the same space and dimension as the stage, and then directly bring the production down to the stage. Yeah, this is a marvelous space.